And another interesting thing that's I've found in our travels is and this goes back to the YidLife Crisis and the identity of secularism, Yiddishism, and Zionism, is and I could be totally wrong about this, but I've seen a political divide between Yiddish being associated with traditional left wing and Zionism in Israel being associated with traditional right wing. And somehow these polarities have been created in a way that I didn't anticipate. And maybe it's always been like that. I mean, certainly when we do these tours, like in the London's East End, of the creation of these first unions, yes, they're all Yiddish speakers. There's definitely a left-wing Yiddish tradition there, which is being lost and is interesting to bring back. But on the other hand, I mean, but their bosses also spoke Yiddish too. They were capitalists. There are many Yiddish-speaking capitalists out there. And there are many Zionists that were Yiddish speakers. So it's interesting to find this divide, and I actually, in some ways, I'm concerned about it and wonder if this polarity is an analog to what we see in American media in general, which is just, there's just more polarity, and it's almost like a media amplification of something that may or may not be true.